Now that I've had my morning coffee, I can talk to you again. Good morning. I had a great night's sleep. It was very comfortable. I've added a topper to my mattress, which makes a huge difference. A bit chilly still this morning. It's just before 7 AM. The sun hasn't come over that hill yet, so it's a bit cold down in the valley. I think my plan for this morning is to pack up and drive up towards Eildon. Unfortunately, there won't be any more drone shots on this trip because I smashed one of the blades on the drone yesterday when I landed it. I landed it on the tonneau of the ute and it slid off and landed on its propeller and just shattered it, unfortunately. Anyway, I'll pack up now, and then when I get to Eildon I'll cook up some breakfast. I'll see you there. Now that I'm all packed up, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of my tub, seeing as though it's changed a bit since last time I went camping. The main thing is I installed one of these XTM slide out kitchens. As you can see, I've got the little fridge today. I only brought the little gas mate with me. It's a 30 litre or a 35 litre. Literally there's just beer, milk and eggs in there, nothing else. Don't need the big fridge, but you can see there's enough space to put a big fridge on the slide. Obviously the slide just comes out. It's got legs as well. I'll do a more in-depth video later on. I've got my automatic water system over there, which I made in a previous video. It's also, I'll link it up in the top left corner, top right corner, top left corner, depends which way you're looking at it, on how I made it. That's got all my kitchen stuff and my food in it. Again, it's only an overnighter, so everything's in there. My treads, that's my clothing bag, it's got some clothes and my pillow in it. The swag. Around the back here I've got my tub with my stove, my electric chainsaw, fire extinguisher. That's just my rubbish bag. That's a fold out campfire, which I didn't use because I had a campfire spot already. That's my stool, and then obviously the battery box to run the fridge and the water. If I needed more space, obviously this could go on the roof rack, the clothes could go on the back seat. There's literally nothing on the back seat, so I could add heaps more. Anyway, that was just a quick rundown. So yep, all packed up, fire's been put out, so I'm going to head up to Eildon now. It's about 8:15 in the morning. The best thing about this setup is that the tonneau cover still fits on, so a little bit of dust gets in, but not too much. Anyway, that's enough. Let's drive up to Eildon, see if we can find some nice tracks along the way, and once we get up there maybe we'll cook up some breakfast. Despite the big chip taken out of the drone propeller, it still flies beautifully, so expect some extra drone footage. I'm up at Eildon at the moment, as you can see. Just took some photos, haven't taken any video, and I'm going to head down to the pondage now and find somewhere to cook myself some breakfast or some brunch at this time of the morning. It's 10:30 already, before I head home. Brunch with a view. This is Eildon Pondage. Just cooking up some of last night's leftovers. I've got a special ingredient I'm going to add in afterwards to make sure that it's actually breakfast, and then I'm going to go and sit at that table and enjoy my brekkie. Special breakfast ingredient added. forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Not sure when I'll get out camping again, hopefully sometime soon. School holidays are coming up. But anyway, I've got a 2-hour drive back home to Melbourne, so see you soon.